Welcome, fellow adventurers, to another captivating journey here on Take a Trip. Today, we will take you to the enchanting village of Zermatt, cradled within the majestic embrace of the Pennine Alps. In this immersive travel guide, we embark on a journey through the heart of the Swiss Alps, uncovering the magic that makes Zermatt an irresistible destination. Whether you're a winter sports enthusiast, a nature lover, or a history buff, Zermatt has something extraordinary to offer. Join us as we traverse through alpine landscapes, historic sites, and panoramic viewpoints. From the iconic Matterhorn to the quaint streets of Zermatt, we unravel the secrets of this picturesque village. Discover how to make the most of your stay and have an exploration of Zermatt's rich history. Let the adventure begin in this alpine wonderland. Nestled in the Swiss Alps, Zermatt is accessible via the efficient Swiss rail network. Arriving by train ensures a scenic journey through the stunning countryside. From Geneva, the journey takes approximately 4 hours, while Zurich is around 3 hours away. The quaint Matterhorn Gotthard Barn and Wisp marks the final leg of the journey, with a narrow-gauge railway providing a taste of the alpine beauty that awaits in Zermatt. Number 1. Swiss Half-Fare Card. Enhance your Swiss expedition with a Swiss Half-Fare Card, a key to a world of savings. Priced at 120 Swiss francs per person for a month, this card unlocks a 50% discount on trains, buses, boats, and an array of attractions. Whether traversing the Swiss Alps or exploring charming villages, the half-fare card ensures budget-friendly travel. Purchase tickets online or at SBB booth, specifying your half-fare card for instant reductions. Leverage the user-friendly SBB app for seamless ticket reservations. Ensure you maximize your savings while traversing the picturesque landscapes of Switzerland. Plan ahead and immerse yourself in the beauty of Switzerland without breaking the bank. Zermatt's alpine village, situated at 1,600 meters, welcomes visitors with its combustion engine-free environment. Take a leisurely stroll through the charming center, surrounded by high Pennine Alps. The picturesque Erna River flows through, providing hydroelectric power and offering quieter spots away from the main visitors area. Traditional wooden chalets, boutique shops, and Swiss delights create a delightful ambience. In the mid-19th century, Zermatt underwent a transformative phase, capitalizing on increased accessibility as travelers sought the allure of its green alpine pastures. Witnessing this opportunity, wooden chalet hotels emerged, laying the foundation for Zermatt's ascent as a premier destination. The historic ascent of the Matterhorn by Edward Whymper in the 19th century added an extra layer of allure, forever marking Zermatt as a beacon for adventurers and nature enthusiasts. This rich history intertwines with the scenic landscapes, creating a tapestry of tradition, exploration, and natural beauty that continues to captivate visitors to the enchanting alpine village. Nestled beside a grand hotel Zermatterhof, the Matterhorn Museum is a captivating exploration of Zermatt's history, chronicling its evolution and the poignant first ascent of the Matterhorn. The museum beckons history enthusiasts, offering discounted entry for half-fare card holders. Immerse yourself in the narrative and exhibits that unfold the tales of triumph and tragedy, providing a deeper understanding of Zermatt's enduring legacy. Don't miss this insightful stop where every artifact tells a story connecting the past with the present. Dating back in 1285, the Roman Catholic parish church of St. Mauritius stands as a testament to Zermatt's rich history. Expanded in 1913 to accommodate a growing village, this architectural gem invites exploration of its timeless interiors. Adjacent to the church lies a poignant cemetery, a final resting place for climbers who ventured into the mountains but did not return. Wander through this historical sanctuary where every stone and arch narrates the evolving tale of faith, growth, and the enduring spirit of exploration. Discover the profound connections between the church, the village, and the adventurers who sought solace in its shadow. Follow the well-marked signs from Furi Interchange Station and board the Matterhorn gondola for a spectacular ascent. This scenic journey transports you to the Matterhorn Glacier Paradise, where panoramic vistas, hiking trails, and an intimate encounter with the iconic Matterhorn await. Half-fare cardholders revel in a 50% discount on this mesmerizing experience. Feel the exhilaration as you ascend to new heights, immersing yourself in the alpine grandeur that unfolds during this unforgettable gondola ride. Capture moments of awe and adventure while relishing the savings that come with a half-fare card privilege. Embark on a scenic 15-minute stroll from the village center, tracing the river towards the majestic Matterhorn. Cross charming bridges and ascend to the Fury Interchange Station. Venture onto trail number 17A, guiding you through alpine forest on a mesmerizing circular hike. The highlight? A daring 90-meter suspension bridge that spans a picturesque gorge. This 2.9-kilometer trail unveils Zermatt's natural splendor, treating you to panoramic landscapes and an immersive encounter with the alpine wilderness. Revel in the beauty of each step as you navigate this captivating hike, a perfect blend of adventure and tranquility amid Zermatt's breathtaking scenery. Step aboard the Cornograd van, a remarkable feat at Switzerland's inaugural electric rack railway. Ascend from Zermatt's 1,600 meters to the majestic altitude of 3,100 meters. This scenic journey unveils unparalleled panoramas of towering mountains, glistening glaciers, and the iconic Matterhorn. For an awe-inspiring alpine experience, consult their website for detailed pricing and timetables. Immerse yourself in the beauty of the Swiss Alps as the train gracefully wins its way through challenging mountain terrain, offering a visual symphony of nature's grandeur. Brace yourself for a breathtaking adventure that captures the essence of Zermatt's alpine magnificence. Embark on a journey with the Matterhorn Express, Europe's highest cable car, soaring to nearly 4,000 meters. Behold awe-inspiring views from the Matterhorn viewing platform, offering a breathtaking panorama. Engage in diverse activities and venture to Glacier Palace, intricately carved tunnels and caves, 15 meters below the surface. While the experience comes with a notable price tag, the unparalleled vistas and adventurous exploration make it a highly recommended must-do. Revel in the thinning oxygen, feel the chill of the mountain air, and observe the silent majesty of the Matterhorn at this remarkable alpine pinnacle. Thank you for embarking on this enchanting journey through Zermatt, the magical alpine village in Switzerland. As we bid adieu to the snow-kissed peaks, cozy chalets, and the undeniable charm of Zermatt, may your memories be as everlasting as the breathtaking views. Until we meet again on the next adventure, remember that the journey is just as important as the destination. From the cobblestone streets to the snow-draped slopes, Zermatt will always hold a special place in our hearts. Subscribe, like, and share if you've been captivated by the magic of Zermatt. Safe travels, fellow adventurers, and may your horizons be forever broadened. Until then, keep chasing the magic and keep chasing the mountains, and keep chasing the moments that take your breath away.